I'm here today to show you how to throw Halloween parties for adults. A couple words on the beverages you're going to serve at your party. Beverages may be more important than normal at Halloween than other parties. A lot of people are going to be in costumes. Some of these costumes are going to be heavy. Some of them are not going to be breathing very well anyway. You're going to need a lot of regular fluids for these people. Water, soda, other hydrating agents. Orange juice is also decent for that too. Just to make sure that they're getting plenty of liquids in them and are not getting dehydrated or otherwise overheating. Something else is, of course, that since you're having adults coming to your party, you may choose to serve some alcoholic drinks. I've been at parties that don't have any alcohol, and those have been just fine. Other ones have decided to. If you're going to have any type of specialty drink, with or without alcohol, consider having a really fun drink name. Something like a Purple Martian or, an Undead Behead. Something like that. I mean, you can come up with any type of name. There are a lot of existing Halloween drink names already on the internet, which you can check out and you can get the exact recipes, so you're all ready to go for your guests. Or you can experiment, be your own little mad scientist with your own beverage concoctions that you can put together for your party. The important thing is to make sure and have them. Specialty drinks add a lot to the party, in addition to making sure that your guests are hydrated.